This is Losing It. The wait is over and they're back. Last week they were stepping, this week they spin.
Hi everybody. We're having beginner spin class today. Are you ready? Alright, position number 1 for me, please, everyone. That's the first position. First part in the angle right here. The legs now. Nice and slow. Warm up those legs for me.
A long time I never ride a bicycle still.
Forward a little bit faster with your legs. A little bit faster.
Spinning class was fun, but it was also very intense. Like, you have to really push for do what the instructor say and don't give up. It was fun. I can't lie. The music make it nicer.
A little bit faster with your leg. Not too fast, a little bit faster. Come on. That red button in front here. You're going to turn it up. 2 turn to the right. Increase your tension. All right, everybody, you're going to spin a little bit faster now. Position number 3, a little faster now. Come on, watch me now, watch me everybody. Ready, go ahead. Come on, pick up the pace. Go on now.
I'm not a regular in spinning class, and today I can understand why that bicycle, it don't feel like it finished build. You know what I mean? The seat is entirely, I don't know if it's because we're a bunch of overweight people, but the seat is entirely too small. It's uncomfortable. At one point, I couldn't feel my left foot. It was numb, as in the part that you push into the pedal thing, you know what I mean?
Position number 1 for this one, everybody. Position number 1. That's the one first position. We're going to go up for a standing. Let's try this. So we're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Move with the rhythm. Move with the beat. 1, 2.
I guess based on my height, when I say to stand up and pedal, my knee keep hitting the bar. I don't know. Maybe it's just not the bicycle for me, but I'm not a fan of spinning class.
Come on. Move with the rhythm. Move with the beat. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
The burn was
1, 2.
real, and that's the point at which I know that that's when you're supposed to be actually losing weight.
I want to put Andre beside me all the time in spinning class because what I realized, I had to keep focus while continue working out even though I was getting tired. But because my focus shift over this upon Andre and I see my struggle, I said, boy, I have to go work for the 2 hours. So I start spin harder and I look, but Andre have an expression where you have to laugh. If you're not laugh, you're a mannequin, I swear. Them say, Andre, you're all right, and him say, so you don't really know if him all right, but I guess him all right can never turn over, but I really enjoy Andre beside me.
And when you increase again, 2 more turn to the right.
Next time when I do spinning class, don't use Chevron. I swear.
Get ready again. Move those legs again.
Chevron, wicked. Every minute him say, every minute me hear the music down, me I say, yeah, Jesus, we finish. He might say, again and again.
Relax a little bit. Come on again, everybody. Come on, back on the bike, please. Back on your bike.
Everybody see it on TV and think like, yo, this is fun. First of all, the bicycle uncomfortable. It's not very pretty on the area around here. The pedal, them tough, and it hurts your foot bottom. And then when himself turn up the intensity, you literally go over one hill when himself pedal.
Most of them is the first time spinning, so them don't used to the seat, them don't used to the whole, technicality of it. So it was hard for them, and I realized I had to give them a beginner class, an easier class than I normally teach, and shorten the class a little bit because they were dying in the class. Come on, burn me a burn. Stay up there. Come on, man. Increase again. 1 more full turn to the right. 1 more full turn.
Like that man don't stop. Him just a go so. Always me a dead. Like him literally, one of the time, him say, okay, up, and down. And I him alone I move. The rest of us just never there, like.
Up
Ooh, this is serious stuff.
and down. Let me see them. Me I watch them, man. Me I watch them. Get ready, everybody. Get ready.
Okay, Trader T. You do you.
I don't know if you think about Clark Kent in him class working out, you know, or Bruce Wayne, but we're not at that level of fitness. You know, I never even see this man sweat in the class any time. I was wondering, you know, so we obviously have a lot of work to do.
Trevor, remember, say we're not that fit like him, you know. We basically just a start back workout. So we art not so well. Somehow we sick and we still a try. But go easy with it sometimes, you know, because we really have it hard. Really hard, not really.
Come on, don't give up, man. Come on, man. Keep it going.
Spinning class was challenging.
Robert, Sandra, and Shay have been working hard. Let's check in on them.
Hi guys, this is Sandra and I'm on week 2 of Losing It. Had a good week, fairly good week. Been working out, trying to get to the gym on time. No setbacks really. As far as the diet, it's been going good. I had a little mishap one day and had some fried stuff, but I came back and I did the workout and tried to sweat out that oil. But all in all, everything has been very good. Been talking with my trainer, getting advice as to where to go in terms of my diet and how to increase the amount of exercises that we're doing now. So all seems well. Now it's time for the scale to see if it reflects what I have been doing. So my weight today was 248.8. When I started 2 weeks ago, my weight on the scale was 256. So that's a loss of about 6 pounds in 2 weeks.
Hi guys, this is Shay. This week was really interesting and fun because I got to work out with Siobhan. He actually video called me and gave me the workouts to do. He helped and worked out with me to motivate me and push me, which was very fun to do. I did not get to work out on Wednesday, but I did work out every other day apart from Wednesday. In terms of food, I am improving in my diet. It's not as hard as last week. I even feel like I'm much smaller now and I can fit into my clothes much better and much more comfortable actually. I was 204 pounds last week, so I lost 6 pounds last week. And I'm very excited to see how much I lose this week. So currently I'm at 199, so I lost 5 pounds. And I feel good. I feel really, really good.
This week is fine. As I only came Monday to work out.
Yes.
And miss out the rest of the week. But I still try to work out at home and still be right. As you can see on the scale, I've been 2 pounds than last week, but now it's water weight. Because I feel small and I look small and I feel more healthy. So I have to just try harder next week and over.
Day trip? Where will they end up? You'll see when we get back. Losing It so forward.